Hey, YouTube. I gotta turn this down. Get some packages. Uh, I might know what this is. Let's see. I think I know what this is. I'm not too sure about it. Oh, my mascara. Yeah, to wrap it up in bubble wrap. Just wrap it up, wrap it up, wrap it up. Fully charged mascara. Fully charged mascara for your eyelashes. So, okay. This, I know what it is. It's my batteries. More batteries on top of batteries. Cause, ew. Sticky, sticky. But I know what this is. K-Star batteries. Oh, I'm showing you the back. K-Star batteries for your camera. Got 4 of them. K-Star batteries. 4 of them. 4. So, 4 batteries plus another 4. Let's see what is, how you say, like, more instead of just a little. So, I will be charging these. And let's see how fast these go. If not, then I'm gonna have to continue buying some batteries. I'm just waiting for my my SD card. Once I get my SD card, that's it. And if these are what they so say they are, 6 hours, we'll see how these go with my camera. But I'm still waiting for some other stuff. I already posted a video on YouTube. Now I gotta do the other half of my ball pythons 1-on-1. Or should I say ball pythons 101. Like the introduction of ball pythons. So that's out now, I guess. Ew, I forgot my mic. It's probably not even gonna work, but we'll see. I know it's gonna be even louder and more in depth. I got 4 batteries for my camera. fully charged mascara for your eyelashes. I'm waiting on my SD card. Um, my one sec. I'm getting one of these sent to me, but with more of the gadgets on the side. This is nothing. um, and probably what some other stuff I'll be getting soon, and that'll be it. Um, yeah, and I guess after the 18th or 21st, uh, that'll be it. So before the mid ending of March, I should be done with all my packages and show y'all what I got. Um, but I will be back with another video of Ball Pythons 101. So it's gonna be another part that I did, and I'm just gonna continue putting out there my ball pythons introduction on y'all. So I'm just trying to get my subscribers up. That's all I want is my subscribers up. Fingers, toes, ears, eyes, eyelashes is all crossed because I want my subscribers to go up at least. I would be happy. But yeah, I just want my subscribers up. And I've been praying to God that with this and what I wrote down to, you know, push out on y'all, I'm hoping I would get some new subscribers and at least get my subscribers up there. So I'm praying. That's all I could do is just pray and get this up at least. My views are already at 100%. Um, everything else is up to par. It's just my subscribers that I want up, at least up there. So I'm hoping and praying that with this kind of content that I'm going to be bringing out there to y'all, I will at least get some new subscribers to uh come in, and at least if you're thinking about getting a ball python for yourself or for your kids or for your family, this will help. It's a lot of channels out there that I'm trying to do the same thing. Being I'm a snake mom also and a snake owner, so I'm out there doing what I know best, which is ball pythons. So, one-on-one with ball pythons introduction and just questions that everybody is asking is if you, like I said, and I'm gonna keep repeating this, if you have a question, comment down below. If you have any type of questions, I'm here. I don't bite. But any type of questions you have on ball pythons, let me know. Please let me know. Let's interact with each other. As content creator and my viewers. Let's interact with each other. Let's talk about ball pythons or my video or something that you have in your mind that if you wanting to know about ball pythons, let me know and I will answer them on live. So hope to see y'all soon. And for those that are new, welcome, welcome, welcome. I am V, aka Storm and Ghost. Um, just welcome to my channel as a ball python owner. Um, if you have any questions, I will be obliged to answer them. I will answer all my viewer questions. So, hope to see y'all soon. I will be posting another video out about ball pythons, and we will get this ball on the roll. So, hope to see y'all soon. Continue watching my videos. Continue giving me the thumbs up. Continue tapping that notification bell. As long as you tap that notification bell, you get notified when I make more content. And let me know what y'all want to know. I will give it to y'all. So, hope to see y'all soon. And peace out. Bye.